Welcome to Dahiya Prakashan Academy. I am Priyanka and today we are going to study Math chapter Unit 6, the expanded forms of numbers. Let's begin. Before starting learning this chapter, we will look the overview of the chapter. What is the overview of this chapter? Student will learn how to break it down a number into their place value and parts. Example, here is a example is given. The value of place value of a 3 is a 300 and a 4 is a 40 and 5 is 5. The concept helps in understanding how numbers are built using ones, tens and hundred and the thousand. This is the overview of our chapter and what we will learn in this chapter. Our goals is to read and write a number, expand form and up to 4 digit and to strengthen the place value. What is the place value and a particular place value of any number to identify this, understanding the form of better numbers and senses. Let's start with the expanded forms of numbers. What is expanded forms of number? Expanded forms of number, that means is a way to break down numbers to show the values of each digit. That means we have to break it down the number into place value and get the expanded form. Here is an example, that is 345. Let's break it down. What is the place value of a 300? What is the place value of a 3 in this digit? It is at the 100th place. That means its place value is 300. Then we will write 300. Then next, what is the place value of a 4? That is 40 and it is at the tens place, then we will write 40 and the place value is 5 is the ones, then place value will be 5. After adding all this we get this number. Because of this we call it is as the expandation form. Expandation form means making the number by dividing into subparts by using place values. Place values. Why is expanded form important? Help to understand the place value. As we know what is the place value. Place value is the where that digit is positioned. What is the position of a value is a place value. And form by using the expandation form, you will understand what is the place value of any digit in the number. Make it easier to add and subtract. It helps up to add and subtraction and useful in the mental math and the number series senses. Is useful in. Let's take some few examples on the expanded forms. We have example 123. How will I break it down in the expandation form? We will take first digit, that is 1. 1 is at 100 place. Then we will write 100. Then 2. 2 is at 10th place. That means we will write 20. And 3 is at 3 place. We write 30. The expandation form of a 323 is this. Let's solve another example. Example is 527. How will I break it down? First, take 5. 5 is at 100 place. 100 place. Then we write 500. Then 0 is at 10th place. There we write 0 or 0. And 7 is at 1 place. Then we write 7. This is how expandation form works. Let's take another example, that is 8,901. Take this number. Start break it down. First take this digit. It is at 1000 place. 8. And after that, how many numbers are after 8? How many numbers in this number? 3. Then we will write 3 zeros after that number. It is at 100 place. We will write 9. Then how many digits after that number? 2. Then we will write 2 zeros after this. Then we will take 0. 0 is at 10th place, and after that it is only 1. They will write 0, 0. We also write this like this, only 0, and 1 is at 1 place. After that 1, no number or digit after that, then we will write only 1. Let's take another example. 5,595. How will I solve this? How will I expand this number? It is at 1000 place. 1000 place. Then after that number, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. Then we will write 5. After that we will write 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And next number is another 5. How many digits after this number? 2. Then we will write 5. Then after that we will write 2 zeros, because after that number has 2 digits. Then let's take 9. If I take 9, we will write 9 here. After that 9, how many digits are in this number? Right, 1. After that 1 digit there, we will write 0. 1 0 after 9. Then we have last 5 at the 1 place. Then after that number, there is no digit, then we write only 5. This is how we expand our number by using position values. Let's take some examples or MCQ on this topic. What is the expanded form of 672? What is the expanded form of 672? A. 600 plus 70 plus 2. B. 60 plus 700 plus 2. C. 600 plus 7 plus 2. D. 600 plus 7 plus 72. Is it right? Which option is right? Let's solve this question. First we will write 72. This is not correct expandation form, then it is wrong option. First take 600. After 600, how many digits in number? 1 and 2. Then we will write 6. After that write 2 zeros, because after that it has 2 digits. After 6. Then plus. After, let's take 7. After 7, how many digits are in number? 1. Then we will write 0 after, only 0 after 7. Then plus. Let's take 2. 2 is at one place and after 2 there is no number, then we write only 2. What is the correct option? From the option A is the correct option. What is the number has the expanded form of 934? If anybody asks expanded form to number, then we have to perform the addition. First write 900, then plus 30 plus 4. Do addition of this. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. And 9 will be remain same. We will write 9 right here. And which option is correct? A 934, B 943, C 9034, and D 394. Which option is correct? A option is correct after doing addition. Find the expandation form of 1050. We have to find the expandation form of 1050. First, it is not correct because we have to take this digit also. Then A option is incorrect. B 1000 plus 0 plus 50. It can be correct. If one place number is end with 0, there is no need to write in the expandation form, or we can write if option has, but here no option has the 0 at the ones place, then option B is the correct. Do addition of this, then we will get this number. Then correct answer is B. What is the expandation for 408? 408. First take 4. 4 is at 100 place, and after 4 there are 2 digits. Then we will write 20 after this. Then plus 0. 0 at 10 place, but we can write 0 like this. 8. 8 is at ones place. After that 8, no digits are present, then we will write only 8. Which is option is correct? 400 plus 0 plus 8. C. This is the correct option for this question. Expandation form of 1203 is option A 1000 plus 2 plus 3, option B 1000 plus 200 plus 3, C 1020 plus 3, 1200 plus 3. Which is the correct option from these options? Option A is not correct, because after doing addition we will not get this number. Then option B is also, option B is the correct answer. After doing addition we will get this number. Option C is also incorrect, and option D also incorrect. Let's break it down. How will I get the option B? 1203. First we will take 1. After 1 there are the 3 digits present, then we will write 1 0 0 0 3 times 0. After this we will take 2. Write 2. Then after 2 there are 2 digits, then we will write 2 zeros plus zeros. There is no need to write the zeros because after adding any number to a zero, it gets itself. Let's take 3. 3 plus 0. What will we get? 3. There is no need to write 0 because of this. Then we will not take 0. 3. 3 is at one place, and after that no digit are there in 3. Which is correct answer? B is a correct answer. Which number matches 300 plus 40 plus 9? Which number matches 340 plus 9? Do addition. First take 300. After that take 40. Then write 9. What is the addition of this? Do addition. 0 plus 0 plus 9. 9 will be here. 0 plus 4 equal again 4. 3 will be remain same. 3. Which is the correct option? A. 349. B. 439. C. 934. D. 3490. Option A is the correct answer after doing addition. Let's take another example. Expandation form of 2090 is option A 2000 plus 0 plus 90, option B 290, option C 2900, D 2009. Which is the correct answer? Let's break it down this number into expandation form. Let's take 2. 2 is at 1000 place, and after that there are 3 digits. Then we will write 2, then 0 after 2, 0, write 30 after 2, then add, then 0. There is no need to write 0. Still we will write 0. And let's take 9. After 9, only one digit is there. Then we will write 90. And if the last number ends with 0, there is no need to write the 0. Still we can write if the options में होगा तो हम लिखेंगे. Then which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. What is the expandation form of a 370? Option A 30 plus 70, option B 370, option C 307, and option D 370. Option D is incorrect because we ask the expandation form, it gives that number. Then it is also not correct because 300 plus 7 is 307. This is not the expandation of the 370. Let's take B option. 300 plus 70. The answer of this is 370. Then which option is correct? B. Because after doing this option addition, we get this number. As we know, we can find in both way. If I take number, then get the expandation form or doing the addition of options and compare with this number, and we will get right answer. If you want to cross check your answer, you can do options, then after options do addition and match this number. After doing the addition with the question number, you will get correct answer. MCQ, another MCQ, which number has the expandation form of 1000, 1000, 1200, 0 plus 0. Let's do addition. First is 1000 plus 200, 0 plus 9. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 equal to 9. Then 0 plus 0 remains 0. 0 plus 2, 2, and 1 remains same. Which option has 1209? A. Then option A is the correct answer. Expandation form of 85. Expandation form of 85. Option A 80 plus 5. B 800 plus 5. C 8 plus 50. D 85. What is the expandation form of 85? 85. Take 8. After that, how many digits after 8? 1. Then we'll write 1 times 0. Then 5. After that, 5. There is no digit, then we write 5 as it is. And our answer is 80 plus 5. It matches A, then correct answer is A, 80 plus 5. What is the expanded form of 6005? What is the expandation form of 6005? A 600 plus 5, B 6000 plus 5, C 6000 plus 50, 6050. 6000 plus 5. Let's take 6. After 6 there is a 3 digit and we will write 30. After 0 there is no need to write the 0. And let's take 5. After 5 there is no digit, then we will write as it is 5. Which option is matched with this answer? B. Then option B is the correct answer for this question. Which number is 762? Option A 726, option B 672, option C 762, and D 276. Perform addition. 700 plus 60 plus 2. What is the answer of this question? 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 6, 6. And 7 remain as it is. The answer is 662. Which option is matched with this answer? C. Then correct answer is C. Find the expandation form of 1150. What is the expandation form of 150? Option A 100 plus 5. Option B 170. we ask expandation form, then B is incorrect, C 1050, D 10 plus 50. It is also incorrect. After doing addition, it gets the 60. Then 150. Let's break this. Take 1. 1 is at 100 place. And after 1, there is a 2 digit. Then we will write 1. Then 2 times 0. We have 5 after 1. Then we'll write 5. After that 5, there is only 1 digit. Then we will write 1 times 0. And there is no need to write the 0. Then what is the answer? Correct answer from the option? Option C is the correct answer. It matches with our answer. Expandation form of 2300 is 2300, 200 plus 300, B 230 plus 0, and C 2000 plus 300, D 2300. It is not correct answer because we asked the expandation form. Number is 2030, 2300. Let's take 2. 2 is at 1000 place, and after 2 there is a 3 digit. Then we will write 3 times 0. 3 times 0. Then take 3. 3 is at 100 place. But after 3 there are 2 digits. Then we will write 2 zeros. And there is no need to write 0. Then which option match with this answer? C is matched with this answer. Then option C is a correct answer. Which expandation form of 540? Which expandation form of 540? 500 plus 4. 500 plus 40. C 50 plus 400. And D 5400. This is incorrect. We need expandation form. Then take this number. First take 5. After 5 there is a 2 digit. Then we write 2 zeros. After 5 plus. Then we have 4. After 5, then write 4. After 4, there is a 1 digit. Then we will write 1 0 after this. Which option is matched with this answer? Option B is matched with this answer. Then option B is the correct answer. What is the expandation form of 706? 706. Expandation form of 706. A 700 plus 60. B 700 plus 6. C 70 plus 6. And D 7060. Take first 7. After 7 there is a 2 digit and we will write 2 zeros after 7. Then 0, there is no need to write 0. And 6, let's take 6. 6 is 1's place. Then which option is matched with this answer? Option B is the correct answer. It is matched with this option. Find the number for 9,000 plus 400 and 30 plus 2. Option A 9432. Option B 9043. Option C 9402. Option D 9342. Let's do addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, then 9 remains 8, then our answer comes 9432. Then which option is correct? Which option is matched with this answer? A. A is the correct answer for this question. Let's take the last MCQ. Which of the following is a 100 plus 30 plus 8? Do addition 130 plus 8. 0 plus 0 plus 8. Then we will get 8. 0 plus 3 is 3 and 1 remaining same. Then 1038 is the correct answer. Which option is correct? 1038. A is the correct answer for this question. So solve the following question in your notebook. Take a screenshot of this and solve these questions for your homework. This is also a few questions for you. Also take this screenshots also. Let's take summary what we are studying in this whole lesson or chapter. We study the expandation form. What is the expandation form and how to perform the expandation form, or by using the option how to identify the correct option of the expandation form. We can do both by expand or by do addition. We will get correct answer. If you have to cross verify the answer, then we will do addition. Then if I get that number, then this is the correct expandation form. Thank you for joining this lecture. Bye bye.